Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis the past few days. That is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, once again, some updates need to be made. First thing, though, we're going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that is exactly what played out today. Got the gap up, and you can see the price did a great job of going sideways right around that 2050 mark, then ultimately got the bounce up from that level. So that's going to be what I would refer to as the ideal level of support going forward. Ideal meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 2050, that would be a great sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price goes down below 2050, that implies the entire chart is all of a sudden destroyed. Not saying that at all. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price could manage to stay above 2050, that would be a great sign of power. But from the overarching standpoint, as I've talked about in the past videos, remains that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as Friday and then next week play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. And the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 2050 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, they don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters is what the price has already been doing. And that is this right here. Just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.